Bringing you real-time news updates from NaijaNews TV. From the world of sport, Confederation of African Football (CAF) announced the venue of the draw ceremony on its official website on Wednesday. The final draw for the 2025 African Cup of Nations will take place at the Mohammed V National Theatre in Rabat on Monday, January 27, 2025. This is where we will see the 24 qualified teams divided into 6 for the first round groups for the finals. Football fans around the world will be able to follow the event live on CAF's official social media platforms and partner broadcasters. Leading figures in African football, heads of federations, international media and sports legends are expected to grace the occasion. It is worth noting that Cote d'Ivoire won the last edition of the competition, edging past the Super Eagles of Nigeria 2-1 in the final. Morocco will host the competition from Sunday, December 21, 2025 to Sunday, January 16, 2026. For more sports stories and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.